Okay, so we're heading up into the mountains for an overnight trip. Going to go to Werrikimbe National Park and stay at a place called Moto Campground, and also have a look around at a couple other places around Oxley Wild Rivers National Park as well. And yeah, just cruise around, and it's going to be freezing cold up here, but I've got plenty of gear to keep me warm and on the inside and the outside, so should be good. Anyway, we're currently on Willy Road. From here we're going on to Karai Road and up towards Kookaburra. Should be a good trip. The new bridge. Been working on this one for a couple of months, I think. Such a nice ride through here. Not a bad view. Karai Road. So this is where the ascent begins, up into the mountains. So we get through this cattle grade here when we start heading uphill, and head uphill for quite some time, basically till we get to Kookaburra. It's a good fun ride, great scenery and really great track, this one, road, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's good fun. As always, you've got to be on the lookout for cars coming the other way. I never really fang it up here through the blind corners and stuff, because you just never know. They are building a dam up here at the moment for power supply, and yeah, you wouldn't want to run into one of those bigger trucks. Just coming up to Kookaburra. I'm going to stop here and have something to eat. I haven't eaten today, so it's a nice nice spot. There's toilets and some tables and chairs. Oh, actually there's not tables and chairs, there's shelters. But it's just up around the corner here. You can see that they're rebuilding the old schoolhouse, which is nice. Got burnt down in the fires. Anyway, just do a quick look at the bike. Obviously DR650. Fairly much as I bought it. I've put a new seat on it. It's the old, as everyone knows, the original seats are fairly hideous. Driving light up there. Put some panniers on it. Got the tool tube. Not much else. Serviced it, went through everything. Put a new the B&B chain guards on there. It's actually from Vince String, but yeah, the other one was homemade. Did the job, but this one I think is a bit better. But yeah, it's got all the standard upgrades that everyone does to a DR. But yeah, we loaded up. There's a little bit of weight in it, but it's not too bad. This is not a very technical ride, so it's okay. But I want to be comfortable because I know it's going to be damn cold. Okay, just leaving Kookaburra, Coachwood Road. Next turn off will be Racecourse Road, I think. I think it's called Racecourse. This is a good track to ride. It's a little hilly and bumpy, but it's good fun. So 24 k's to go. I think this is more of a road than a track, I think, so this one might be pretty cruisy. But anyway, never been down here, so we'll find out. Pretty similar to the Coachwood Road so far. Not bad. Some bumpy rocky bits and whatnot. A few puddles of mud. Pretty good. Just come down to a little creek here. It's quite nice. Just Still plenty of run, nice and clear. Hasn't rained for a while, but still getting plenty of water around. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Bloody GoPro keeps cutting out on me and I'm not too sure why. It only records for about 30 seconds, 60 seconds and then it cuts out. There we go, this is the Werrikimbe Trail, obviously a walking track. I think this actually goes into the back of Moto campground, but I could be wrong. But as you're interested, there's a bit of a map and a bit of info. I have to say, I wasn't expecting to see this down here. Bit of a clearing. Again, walkers only in there, which is fair enough. It's a wilderness area. Oh, nice. Well, looks like we're here. Well, we've arrived at Moto campground, which I've got to say is amazing. There's only 5 campsites here. There's someone in one further over, but the others are empty. But it is beautiful. There's a huge supply of firewood. It's all grass. There's a creek over the back here. There's a toilet block. And a bit of info which I'll go and read later, but man, what a spot. I am so impressed. Anyway, I'm going to go and firstly going to get changed and then I'm going to set up my camp. Okay, looks like there's a couple of walks here actually, but we're just going to have a look at this one for now. There's another one that's about 5 kilometres I think, but this one will do us. This one's a 15-minute walk. Not sure where it goes, but we'll find it. Oh, there's a little creek down here. Quite a well-maintained track. Yeah, it's a beautiful spot. If you're into your bushwalking, you'd love it. Not sure how cold it's going to be here tonight. And that's ice on the ground still. So I'm going to say cold. You know what? Like here, but plenty of warm stuff. Rightio, bit of dinner. This is dinner tonight. Punjabi chickpea masala. Looked like it'd be an easy thing to do while you're camping. A few different packs in here. Never had it before. Just riding out of Murabank campground now. Had an awesome night. Didn't mean to stop here, just lost momentum. She's a bit greasy. As you can see, it was pretty cold last night, a bit of